Well, all right, there's all my stuff. You can see that other kayak over there. It's all sad and envious. Like, I want to go too. I would, but there's nobody to fill it. So, got my stuff ready for my 14-day solo trip down Siletz River. Taking a hat tent just in case, because it's still pretty darn cold out there right now. And there's not much daylight. It usually ends about 6:30 at this point. But I'm ready to go. Some really cool stuff. Well, all right. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification button, because there'll be a few more videos for this adventure. I hope you can join me.